So today on Wobbly Coils Workshop I'm going to show you how to turn this piece of standard 68mm drain pipe into a 63mm hose adapter. Many of us who do woodwork know that standard drain pipe sizes are not quite the same as standard dust collection hose sizes. For example, this pipe is 68mm and the nearest standard hose is 63mm. It would be nice to be able to use drain pipe because it's considerably cheaper than dust extraction pipe, and to that end some companies do actually sell adapters. It's quite easy to get an adapter, say from 110 to 100mm, but I couldn't find an adapter from 68 to 63, so I've decided to make one.
Start by cutting off about 60 to 80mm of drain pipe, clamp it in your vise and then cut down the length of the pipe. Here you can see the basic idea of what we're going for. I've got another section of pipe that hasn't been cut and I'm going to insert the cut section into it. As you can see, there's an overlap on the inner pipe and we don't want this, so mark it with a pencil and saw it out and then clean off any burrs. What you're aiming for is a nice tight clean seam line when you slide the smaller piece of pipe into the larger. This piece is perhaps a little on the small side, but it works fine. Spread solvent cement along the seam line and then use some tape to hold the joint closed. Once the cement is set, remove the tape and test fit it into the larger diameter pipe.
Slightly tight. Yeah, no, that'll work. That works spot on. Like when I put the glue around it now, that will weld into this outer piece and it will really toughen up. I'll also spread a little extra glue along here. It will help with a bit more cross-linking. So my adapter's now glued up. It's only just set, so I'll treat it a bit gently. But here I have a standard 63mm connector, and that measures in at 62.3, and mine measures 62.7. So mine is a fraction large, but that you'd easily get a hose over that. So in the back of my router fence I've got a 68mm hole to take the outer diameter of the drain pipe, and all I need to do is just slide that in. And now this should slide over, and it does. Oh, I consider that a win. There we go. I'll get some hose clamps on that in a minute. Oh, in fact, that hose might be a bit long.
Thanks for watching. Bye till next time.